Hello friends, welcome you again in my new video where I will tell you how to unlock the lock of your mobile phone like PIN, pattern or password. In this video, you will also know that you will not lose any data at the time of unlocking your mobile phone. And the biggest thing is from this video, we will also know that how can you remove the password of your mobile without any computer and without any data loss. This method is also used in the service center now and you can use it. By doing this, you can unlock any Android smartphone at home. So let's start this video. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. When your mobile is locked, first of all, you have to fully battery charge of your smartphone so that your mobile will not switch off in the process of unlocking. If your mobile will switched off during mobile unlocking, then all the important data of your smartphone remains in danger of being deleted. Watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your mobile phone by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. First of all, you must full battery charged of your smartphone at least minimum 30%. Then after use the offline mode. In this offline mode, first of all you have to click on the emergency call option from here, and when your emergency call option comes, I am telling you a secret code to close all background running application, and you have to use that code, and this code is *#405211055 and hash. You have to take a screenshot for future, and now you have to call this code for 3 times. Click on the call button and also click on the OK button. Repeat it for the 3 times. 2 and 3. After completing this process, clear the call log. The offline mode in your smartphone may not have been fully activated yet. You still have one process left, and that process is now you have to put your smartphone in flight mode or airplane mode. From here, it is already activated. With activating it, your smartphone will go completely in offline mode. Now you have completed a stage, and now you have to take another new and most important step. Now you have to activate the master unlocking mode of your smartphone. It is also called engineer mode in the language of our service center. Now you have to use that code to open engineer mode also, and this code is written here: *#899 and hash, means *#899 and hash. And as you will, by clicking on the last hash button, the engineer mode will be activated in your smartphone. The page of master unlocking will come in your smartphone. There are many options, so please don't confuse. Now you have to take some important steps here. As you are looking at number 5 option here, it is showing you the software version option. Now you have to click on the software version option here, and also here you will now see the Android version. It has to be clicked as many times as it is written here, meaning you have to click on Android version as many times. If you are showing Android version 13 here, then you have to click it for 13 times. If you are showing Android version 12 here, then you have to click it for 12 times. And if you are showing Android version 11 here, 10 here, then you have to click it for 10 here and 11 times. Like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. As soon as this process of yours will be completed, now you have to come back. After this, now you have to click on the option above it, that is manual test, on number 4 option. You have to open this manual test. Now some new pages will come in your smartphone again. Now you have to go to the last page which belongs to other page by swiping it from the side, and now you will see total 5 options here. You have to work in these options very carefully. First of all, you have to click on the database version or mainboard version for 9 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now after completing it, you have to click on the option given here on number 2, that is read write important log test. You have to open it for the 4th time. When you open it for the first time, you will be asked to confirm it, but you don't have to confirm it. Click on the cancel button. Repeat the same process for 3 times, but in the 4th time you have to click the same option, and but you have to click on the OK button. Now you can see here your mobile password has gone to reset mode. After that, wait for 3 seconds. 1 2 3. Now all you have to do is apply one last method and your smartphone will be unlocked. Now you have to go back to the device debugging page from here, and this is the device debugging page. There are lots of options here, but you have to find a option which name sensor self test and calibration. Open it. Now you have to open the option, and now you will be seeing 2 options, 1 option or single 3 options here. Here all the options are in default operation not started mode. You have to start it automatically by touching it until you see test pass message here, and here you will see a message of a test pass. If your test pass message has come, then your work is done. But if you still don't see a test pass message here, you got test failed error message here. So understand, till now your pass will not come here. We'll keep doing this process again and again like this. And by the way, you will click on the home button here, and you can see that your password of mobile is unlocked and there is no any photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. In this way you can unlock any Android smartphone like Realme, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco, LG, Sony. If your mobile is still not unlocked through this method, in that case you can comment us by subscribe our channel. Our team definitely will reply to your comment so that you will be able to unlock your mobile phone at your home. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.